Good morning. Yo, how are you? Welcome to another live stream. Today is October 25th. Let's start with the news for the day. We do have some cat news at 10, so that will certainly move the dollar. And then we have new home sales also at a 10 a.m. That is an orange folder. Now the cat news is a red folder. That will certainly move the dollar a little bit. Then we have the news conference at 11 or the Bank of Canada, and then Powell is speaking in the afternoon, but we won't be trading. Here's the earnings calendar. Earlier today we had Boeing, Thermo Fisher, T-Mobile, Hilton, ADP. In the afternoon we have Meta, IBM. That's pretty much it. Yesterday in the afternoon after close, we had Visa, Alphabet, and Microsoft. Now, Google is gapping down, Microsoft is gapping up. So we don't have a much correlation there. And tomorrow we have Amazon, UPS, Intel, Ford, Chipotle, the airlines here, Southwest, some oil companies, and on Friday more oil companies. All right, so we know about that already. Let's go and review the dollar. The dollar is going up a little bit, not much. Yesterday we did have a very good run up from the demand. Now we have created some areas here, and my assessment is that I have a support here and I have a demand here. So I want to see the dollar holding this area, because my bias today is neutral bearish. We are gonna open below. If we open right now, yeah, it's 3 more minutes. We're gonna open below the balancing area between 59 and 23. Let me show you that. So this is the balancing area that I'm talking about. This is the COT for the last 1, 2, 3 days, right? We do this. That's the COT, okay? And we have some extreme of the range right here at 37. That's very important. Close to yesterday's low at 42. And the highs, obviously, okay? I do have another supply right here, but it was violated during the like earnings spike. So if you go to the Globex, you see how this week came entirely across this, but I am keeping it, okay? I want to be mindful that this zone is right there. All right, so let's continue with the dollar. I'm seeing the dollar here. I have this support at 106.29. If the dollar comes to this area, I want to be short in the equity markets as well if it comes to this area. Now, if it goes below, something like this, I wanna short the dollar when it comes back to this area, okay? Towards this 105.400. Meaning I want to be long in the equity markets. My short-term bias in the equity markets is neutral bearish. We have been dropping since the beginning of October, right? We've been coming down, and we broke this area. This area was a very important support that I was watching. Now we do have a lot of support here. We have 4150 around there is a very important area where buyers can be active. Again, All right, so my environment today is the dollar is bullish. I would say more like neutral bullish, and rates are neutral bullish as well. You can see how 10-year yield is going up and the short term of the curve is going down, steepening the curve a little bit. That is usually negative for the stock market. Yeah. All right, so we're open and let's go to the execution tab right here and see we're opening in this support. I want to see what the market does right here. Okay, go to the today, since I've been losing for 2 consecutive weeks, I am reducing my size. I am bringing just minimum size 4 accounts, and if I keep losing today, I will just take one of these out of my trading session, and I will keep reducing my size until I get better. I need to get to a point where I start, taking good trades again, and that would be when I will start to increase my account numbers again. I want to preserve them. I don't want to blow them. So with that, let's go to the stream tab. There we go. So reviewing yesterday trading day. Obviously, on hindsight, every like anyone can be a good trader on hindsight, right? Being risking your money what the market is developing is something that is certainly not easy, right? And we need more experience. And we were spotting this yesterday. And what I want to talk about is the tick chart. Tick chart was bouncing off of zero line yesterday until 11. 11, we hit a supply. If you go review my live stream from yesterday, I did have a supply at 82 where the market started to drop from. So, and guess what? After we hit the supply, finally the tick broke to the downside. So yeah, I was shorting the market early. Yeah, I was shorting the market early, and I was not paying attention to the tick chart. I just completely ignore it. So that's a good lesson from yesterday that cost me probably $600. So we're not doing the same thing again. I know it's very unlikely that the tick chart is going to behave in the same way it did yesterday, but at some point it'll repeat. It will repeat the behavior, and then when that happens, I was very mindful that I don't want to make the same mistake I did. Ricky, good morning. Welcome. So 5 minutes per value gap. Fair value gap. So where do you have it? I really don't pray for fair value gaps, but I acknowledge that there are a lot of people that use that. Uh-huh. Ale, how do you like 51 3/4?
I was thinking 50. I was thinking 50.
Yo, welcome. Welcome to the States, bro.
I was thinking 50.
$51, right?
Yeah, around there.
Yeah. We are breaking the overnight right now. I do have this. Yesterday's low is 40, 42. So that'll be the same demand. That put some pressure yesterday. Now the real demand that I have is 37, 37 three quarters. We do have like an open range breakout, bro.
Yeah, we do.
Start having high volume bars though. Nice. That was a good trade. Pre-market. I am starting to lower my standards here. I don't dislike 49. What do you say? 49 or 50. Then we have 52. 48. Yeah, 48, 50. Me too. What up? Who's that? OPV 0G. That's hard. Yeah, that's hard to know. Who knows, bro? Who knows? I'm just play the odds in every trade. It's hard to predict. I try not to predict.
700 buyers on the last candle, and it was a Doji candle. It's a lot.
700.
The delta.
Or 761. I don't have that. I have 353. Let me reload my historical data. It's loading. Yours? Do it in the same chart. I know it's 353. That's weird.
Yeah, 350.
Oh,
my thing.
it corrected?
Yeah, my thing.
Okay, cool. That's good that it happens. Yeah. So NASDAQ pushing down big time. I figure is dragged by Google. Now, RTY is breaking the low from Monday. Not the Dow. Wow, Dow is holding big time. So we don't have an overall market weakness yet. So the Dow is holding. 46 on the first retracement. There's no pullback, bro. Hmm?
Earnings.
We have the cat news. Cat news is gonna move the needle. Gonna move the dollar. What a 15-minute candle, bro. Oh my goodness. All right, we're hitting some demand, yeah. We had sort of like an exhaustion candle there. You know what? I want to put the volume here. I want to put volume in this one. Yes, it's dropping much less. The RTY is the weakest though, and Nasdaq is falling sharply as well. I'm not looking for any longs. No, I have the reference area there. I want to see what happens when we're here.
Is really negative.
Yeah, he hasn't been able to pass minus 500, right? 400, minus 400 is the best read. Yeah, minus 400 is the best read. Um, so I just want to try to get into this thing. Now it's one more minute for the 15-minute candle to close. We're hitting some demand here. You see this area of buying. Sorry, this box that I have there, this buying area. Like I said, I'm not trying to catch this thing long. Matter of fact, I want to see if I can short either here at 50 or 48 or 44. I have different areas. I want to pay attention to the I really like this 44 here. 44 3/4. I want to see what the fangs are doing. Yeah, they're holding a little bit. Oof. Google is down 9%, and Microsoft is up 3%. That's why we're dropping. It's a lot of pressure from Google. And the dollar is at supply, but still, market is still dropping. Yo, Ale, where can we get in, bro, in this thing?
I was thinking because I saw a big spike on the tick. I wanted to enter.
Should we wait for the first zero touch? Probably. We will get a worse entry around like probably like 39.40, but the tick will be safe. I'm not
Honestly, at
gonna
this point,
buy.
there's
Who's
no
gonna
good
buy?
entry.
I'm trying to sell. I'm not thinking in buy right now. Probably later. I have areas, but oh my god, Natty. We're trying to look for shorts. So sellers are starting to get exhausted. Not really. Not really. My entries are that's one thing. I made a video um on the weekend, and yeah, I lost every day, but I was with the trend. I was with trend, not against the trend. I was with the trend. Like I was too early though, which is equally bad because I lost money, right? But I my context was right. I was not patient enough. Yesterday I was shorting. The market was going up, but it ended up dropping, right? My analysis is contextual. It got nothing to do with what current price is doing at the moment. Is a collection of things like the dollar, advanced decline, and stuff. Yeah, the buy right now is not the best option. Not right now. If something changes, then yes, but not for now. Let's wait. Where at? Where do you think that you're saying short, right, Ricky? What is that level? The first main of fair value gap. 44. I don't think that the short is already completed. I haven't seen any.
I think it's shooting up.
Yeah, ticket shooting up, but minus 300 still. I don't think it's the short is done yet. No. We still have some room, like 10 more points to the next area for 42.21. Now we haven't have a significant pullback for me to feel comfortable entering this trade. Bro, pullback is 3 points. Hmm? At some point, well, we will need to wait for the news, because this news is big. Is big. Cat news is gonna move the dollar.
I know this like 38.
Where at?
38 or 42 pivots.
Yeah, like 39, 25. Or 44.
Or no.
What?
Or no pullback.
Yeah. Yeah, no pullback, bro. No pullback. Bro, I haven't seen anything like important in the footprint. Nothing has changed for me to say buyers are now more aggressive. So we had a zero line. That's probably our entry. That was probably our entry. Bro, structurally, for the 1 minute to give you a long bias, the 1 minute is hard for you to like, it's too small of a time frame to give you a change. Yeah. I wouldn't use the 1 minute to assert direction for the day. It's unless you're like scalping a couple points, but it's such a small time frame. Like, since we opened, I haven't seen anything for the long. Now, it might change later, but not right now. And at this point, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes for the cat news. If you think you're reading the market wrong, just stop losing money. Stop taking crappy trades. Go for a walk and clear your head, clear your mind. That's a very dangerous point. If the 1 minute keeps faking you out, thinking that it's gonna bounce. And look, when I say that, it's because I've been there. Okay. In my experience, it's very bad when you keep taking trades against the direction. No worries, bro. You're good. He won't be traveling though. He won't be traveling.
Aggressive buying on that.
You think so? There's 1,000 orders, 1,000 delta.
High ball. 1,000 ball.
Yeah, a little bit higher. Cat news is due in 2 minutes. Why I pay attention to that? That is going to move the dollar, and moving the dollar means that the stock market is gonna move. No, I don't want to buy. Not right now. You will know when I want to buy, but no, not right now. As a matter of fact, I want it to go higher for me to short it. Like 40. I have 40. I have 44. I have 48. Depending on how the price land there, I'm gonna short. Advanced decline is negative, minus 1400. We did have sort of divergence on the advanced decline to the long side though. Hmm. We did have some divergence to the upside, but I don't have anything there. Tick chart hasn't broken zero yet. The news is out. There you go. So the dollar is holding there. Yeah. That was a pullback, buddy. Oíste. Fucking Matic, bro. There you go. Bro, that was a pullback. 35. Oh my god. 6 points. We have expectations that are not going to be met today, Ale.
What?
Probably I won't take any trade today. Look at that shit. It's hard for me to just have this pullback and then I know. But we're as of right now, we're in a trending day. For now. Alright, so we have some potential here for a trend change. Let's see what happens in this candle. I want to see what happens. And then I'll no, there's no buyer in aggressive. There's no aggressive buying there. No. No.
A lot of volume in that.
From minus 450, bro. Not much. Just a reverse to the mean. So in some shorts being covered there. It's not something meaningful. I think I'll try 33, bro. See if we can have it. 31. No, I'll wait. I'll wait for 33 and see what's going on there. Demand is close. It's 22. Advanced decline is aligned for the short.
For it close to there.
Yo, don't dwell on that, bro. That's very difficult. It messes up with your head. It's hard. Where your thinking is just pointless. Yesterday I was at some point I was 9 points up in the trade and I ended up getting a losing trade. So you don't know what's going to happen. You just play your plan. Don't dwell on what you're saying. That's a coulda, shoulda, woulda. So we're in this candle, Ale. We're in this
I
the
like
last
30.
15.
Like 31. I have an order at 30.
You have an order there?
Yeah, 30. Balance.
I don't know, like 33 at least is the launching point. I know it's just 2 points. Yeah, it's too weak. It's too weak for us to expect a pullback. So if I don't take any trade, I think I'll make progress because I've been losing for 2 weeks. I'm not rushing. I just want my entry. Let's wait for 33 or 39. There you go. I have 33. I have this one. And I have this one.
Forget about it.
Yeah. Gone. It's gone. Yeah.
Oh my god. Auto sell.
Yeah.
I'll follow through. Auto selling. Follow through.
Trapped sellers though at 25. Yo, how much are we upping today? Lots of buying at 25. There are some trapped sellers there at 25. Spider Trader.
Yeah, a lot of buying at 30. So there was no follow through. 1,000 delta and a 2,000 delta.
Yeah. 21.19 in 25. You're in it?
And what?
You took it off?
What?
The order?
Yeah, I took it off. I didn't like the buying there.
Bro, aren't you cold? Let's see if those trapped sellers are gonna lift up price right now at 25.
Like a delta of negative 700, and now it's
Minus 2, minus 3. Yeah, but it's gonna close the candle negative delta. Still, yeah, a lot of selling is happening there. It didn't get to 31, right?
no,
Shh.
a lot of sell.
Yeah. Bro, look at tick chart.
Up.
Yeah, that trapped seller with 2100 lots on 25 is probably going to put some buying pressure there.
Up.
There we go. Still buyers are not strong. Still buyers are not strong. Let's see if this one turns around. Yeah, that's your alert. Oh. I have an alert too though.
What time?
10:30, 10:15. Oh no. Spider, do you catch the 25?
A week. I can't.
Mm. Wait, you're underwater right now, or you got some? Oh, yeah. No, the other way around. If there is someone that have been underwater, they want to try to cover their position. Now there's really underwater. They're trying to cover that. Hmm. Yeah. No worries. Just sometimes we screw it up. Like the important thing is that you don't forget about that bad trade. We will open. We will always will take bad trades. I was looking at least 33, but freaking it's too weak. 33, 36. It's just not going. Bounce clan continue to drop. Picture is negative. Hasn't broken zero yet. Damn.
Auto sell.
In the area, right?
Auto sell.
Yeah. There's no follow through though.
Break down. Then
Okay, Picture is heading towards zero again. That's my alert. But yeah,
how long have we been in this?
20 minutes. Yeah, not much. Now we're so close to 22 where my demand is. Need to be mindful of that.
A lot of selling again and no follow through.
Mm-hmm. Look at the tick. Look at the tick.
Aggressive.
Hmm? How could come the flush that Spider is talking about? So a lot of times that doesn't mean that it's going to happen, but a lot of times it comes down, it balances here, it flushes, and it shoots up. Right? That's very common. That's very common. I have a demand here. I'm not looking to buy. I'm not looking to buy because my bias is short. Now, a lot of times this will happen, especially because we are accumulating so many short positions here. A lot of selling happening in this range, in this 25-minute range. A lot of selling is going on there. I'm gonna take 5 minutes off. I'm gonna let this thing play out. I just want a nice retracement so I can get in short. I'm gonna take 2 minutes off and I'm coming back. stream. Oh. Later. Spider Trader says, what I've seen and why I took the trade is we usually flush the high volume. The reverse was looking for the flush part. Did we have some high volume there on its way down? It's not, yeah, it's a little bit higher, but it's not something like, wow, very high. There is the one like 1001 candle, but that's certainly above that. It's 2650. That one has a lot of volume. New 15. Now Dick chart is above zero and spending a little bit of time. It's been there for 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. And advanced decline is also retracing a little bit. I'm gonna short this below here, below 30. And my target will be certainly here. $28 1/4 is an important point. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna add on below here. And here's another important point. Oh yeah, I'm out. It's not the middle. Why is the middle? I have a supply here. I don't see any aggressive buying there. Like it's just a pullback. I'm out of it though. Wow. Yeah, the dollar is going down. Like I just didn't realize that. Um, when it gets to the 29 level here, I will take another short, like 29, somewhere around there. No, I don't have too much size today. It's just 3 accounts. I'm reducing my size till I get back. $35. We close below 35. I think I'm gonna take another short. Might have the dollar changed. I don't think the dollar changed already. want to see a close below 35 if I want to short from here. New 15. Are you long, Natic? Are you long? Once I get a sim. Oh, you have to go? All right, no worries. Later. Wow, now this one is a very powerful buying candle. This one right there. I don't know if I want to step in this thing. Let me see what I get. I have trapped buyers there a little bit. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna sell one. Oh damn. Just saying sell one and the thing is spiking. Does not look good. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. The next point is 39. I want to see tick chart at 0. Advanced decline is not bad. Okay, tick is going below. There is a good selling in this candle closed at 1050. There's good selling there. Want to see if we yeah, what I don't like is the 5-minute pattern. It's just we could bounce off of 39. So if we start bouncing off of 39, I will just break my stop break even. Yeah, next one is 34. Next one is 34. Very little buying though there. Let's see if a buyer shows up there. There's not much. There's not much buying. Tick chart went below 0. Advanced decline going down as well. At this point, I'm bringing my stop break even. My target is 28. I need to see what's going on here at 34. Yeah, buyers are showing up there. Let's see if we the sellers have the strength to go down, to push this thing down. Not really. Buyers keep accumulating there. Buyers keep accumulating here. A lot of buying and no follow through, so that's good. That's good for the short. Let's see if we can have a flush from 34 from this level. Now we need to break 35 3/4. Five-minute candle is bouncing, yeah. There's some selling here, so I'm gonna add on here. I'm gonna be very aggressive with my stop though after the add-on. Cause sellers keep showing up here at 39. All right, so I added on. If we break this level anyways, we're gonna change bias, so we need to break to the downside, and I'm not gonna go further than this. If it bounces from here, it's certainly a change of bias, meaning market structure is just gonna show more strength. Oh yeah, you're gonna take me out. It is what it is. It is what it is. Some short covering there, aggressive. Still that candle from 331 positive to minus 200. Still sellers are there. All right, so the dollar is bouncing. That's good. But I don't know what's the overall bias for the dollar today. If it changed and this is just a pullback, that will mean this is just a pullback on the equity markets. And it looks like, yeah. Yeah. Advanced decline is going up. A bounce from here, very likely. Very likely. So my target would have been 34 3/4 for me to get good trade out of this short. So sellers are trying to push, but there's no follow through. There's no follow through whatsoever on the selling. Now buyers are starting to come in here as well. Yeah. It is what it is. Now tick spending a little bit more time on the negative side. New 15-minute in 9 seconds. That's not good. Volatility is gonna just take me out probably. Yeah. Yes, sir. Volatility on the 15. Oh my goodness. I'm out. So where are you getting? Bro, how much I was up in this trade? 9 points. God damn it. My add-on was freaking bad. 700, 750. I don't know what to tell. No, advanced decline is pointing higher. Still negative, but it's pointing higher. Tick chart is spending fairly the majority of the time below, but there's no aggressive buying either. The only thing is that sellers here had no follow through. 01, 50, 11 minutes. Lot of volume, lots of volume in this candle. Wow. Yeah, I'm very late. I'm very late here. Like I just got this trade so bad. Yeah. Damn. Is there a speaker or something? Yeah. Yeah, forget about it. Wow. Yeah, I'm out. 3 trades, 2 losers, 1 break even. Crazy. I got so bad in this one. Wow. There were a lot of sellers there. There were a lot of sellers in the 48. But I got in a 41. You figure that? What an entry. Hmm. Wow. No, forget about this. Forget about this. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, there is a fight there, but I think ultimately buyers are being very aggressive now. Like what I don't like is how many sellers could be there. We already sold off. Yeah. Bounce decline is not very aggressive. Tick chart is bouncing off of zero aggressively though. Not zero, but the extreme low. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take a small loss here. I took a small loss. And in this one, the whopping 3.5 points only. No, I wasn't thinking long at any time. I took only shorts, and the market might bounce, but we're not even coming from the demand. We came close to the demand. Demand is 21, came to 23, 4. So the reason of me taking this trade right here at 1106, you can see on the footprint, it's a 13, it's a 12. Where is it? Here in this one, 1105. It's a 400 plus delta and then minus 400 negative delta, right? So 400 negative to plus 4, sorry, 400 positive to minus 400. That's why I got in now. When I clicked buy, the price I got filled is 41 and the high is 48. So it was a terrible trade. But still, this candle still shows some selling, and we haven't been able to go above that. Now, I can notice some aggressive buying down here. This minus 1500 delta, this candle at 1112, this one has a very negative delta, but we did not have follow through, so buyers stepped in here. Yeah, that's it for me today. Took too many trades. 4. Well, guys, I am in a very big drawdown. This month is gonna end up negative, because I'm reducing my size. There's no way I'm gonna recover anything I'm losing this month. But I'm working on improving every day. So I don't care about the money. I just care about improving my. I don't care about the money right now, uh, but I care about the trading because eventually I will need to get back to make money, right? So that's all for me today. Just another losing trade, another losing day. Um, that's it, guys. I hope um, I hope uh, um, this Tom Howard book, Best Loser Wins, is a truthful story or statement, because I'm learning how to lose. Like I'm not even mad at myself. Um, it is what it is. Like I made one mistake on the trade that costed me probably like $30 or 40, but it's not a big deal. Um, so I just need to recover from this stage of just losing. Uh, every day I'm learning about myself and about what to do when the market do whatever it does. All right. So I hope you had a very good trading day. Um I really wish you all the best. And thank you for spending time with me, especially when I'm losing. All right. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day.